Alright guys, I am at the Floral Clock. You're probably wondering why, but little hot tip, Whirlpool Jet Boats has a booth over there. So you can purchase tickets there, and they have a shuttle bus that will be running. They have 2 shuttle buses going back and forth. So you can purchase your ticket here, catch a shuttle bus from here to the Whirlpool Jet Boats, or if you're not driving, catch a WEGO bus to the Floral Clock, catch a shuttle bus down to the Whirlpool Jet Boats from here. Leave yourself some extra time though if you're catching the WEGO bus, because WEGO bus takes a little bit of time. So make sure you get here nice and early if you're catching the WEGO bus to catch the shuttle to the Whirlpool Jet Boats. All right, guys, we are here. I got Brandon from Greg Fruin Theater. We're going on a boat. Check it out. No, not that boat. These boats over here. Right there, thanks to that guy, Devin, here at Whirlpool Jet Boat Tours.
That's what we're doing today.
Yeah, thanks for inviting us,
No
man.
problem, man. You have to try it. It's an experience, so.
It's my first time.
I know. I was surprised.
Brandon, your first time?
In a long time. First time in a long time.
Right. So I have no idea what to expect except getting wet.
Yeah, something like that. You might not walk away dry. I can't promise that.
Well, luckily I brought a change of clothes. So we are gonna head in. We will see you guys out there. Well, you'll see me. I don't know if I'll see you because I'll probably be wet. Anyway, we will see you soon. All right, guys, before we go on the boat, I got Devin here again. He's gonna give us a little sneak peek at what the captain sees on this boat and explain a little bit of the controls.
Going?
Yeah.
No, I'm not a captain. You wouldn't want me to be a captain, but this is what they're looking at when they're behind the wheel here. They've got everything here, the RPMs they can track there, but mainly the most impressive part is they're controlling 7 things at one time: steering, buckets, and throttles. There's 3 buckets at the back, and that's what's moving us forward or backwards. And they're bringing those up and down, each individually, to make us move around. And then, so that's mainly for navigating in the still water and in the boils when we're holding still. And then these are the throttles for each engine. There's 3 turbo diesel engines in each boat. So got 500 horsepower each.
Wow.
And so that's what they're pushing up there. But yeah, so that's how they're controlling everything, and the radio and whatnot. But yeah, and I'll show you the engine too. Volvos on this guy, 500 each. Diesel.
Wow.
Yes, sir. I know there's a bunch of mechanic heads, so they'll like that.
I know nothing about it,
No,
except
neither
for
do
it's
I.
huge.
Yep.
And there's 3, you say?
Yeah, there's 3 of these suckers.
Wow.
And there's our propeller back there. All the water's coming in, going through the engine, cooling it down, shooting out. So yeah, it's pretty cool. A lot of guys like to look at the engines and whatnot.
Well, there you go, you engine guys. Take a look at that. Put one of those in your car, you're gone.
Okay, so folks, my name's Vinny. I'm going to be your tour guide out there on the water today. Before we head down, we got a few things to run over together. We'll talk about the gear we'll get you suited in, our power rows, and what you can and can't bring onto the boat, okay? So we will stop off at some Class 5 rapids known as the Devil's Hole Stretch. That's where we're going to be playing today. So as for gear, guys, we are going to offer you a poncho. It looks just like this. However, this is not going to keep you dry in the slightest, okay? Are you ready to go jet boating?
nice and high. Thumbs up.
You guys saw this boat in the intro, you know, the one that we said we were going to take, but we weren't actually taking because we're going on the jet boats. So I'm going to show you a little lesser known thing about this boat. Let's check it out. So here is the boat. There is stairs there and a wheelchair ramp. You can go up, and guess what? They have the viewing platform up there and something else. Let's go. That's right. Top deck snacks and beverages. There you go, guys. Check it out. They have no alcohol up here, but they do have pop and water and some snacks, such as chips. And you can just come up here and check out the view. You can watch the jet boats take off. Now you can come up here before your trip or after your trip. I do advise, if you come up here before, to pay attention to the sign at the time, sorry. You do not want to miss your boat.
Oh shit.
So that is it. We are on the steamboat. So they do also have a snack bar down here where you can get some drinks and some chips as well. Looks like some coffee and tea. So they also have that available, and that is just located right behind the lockers. All right, guys, that is it. Thank you to Devin here.
No problem.
He is the master right there.
What'd you think?
It was awesome. It
Good
was
stuff?
awesome,
Yes.
yeah.
Nothing like it.
Got soaked, which I expected.
Yep.
He was even nice enough to, well, you and Alex
Yeah.
took us for the extra spin,
Yeah.
which you guys saw.
Great music.
Great
Yeah,
music.
I tried.
Yes.
Yeah, rock and roll, that's right.
It was speechless. You guys got to get down here and try this.
Try it out.
Definitely. Oh, I got to get changed. I'm completely soaked. I'm completely soaked.
Well, see you down here.
Yes.
Thanks, Devin.
Thanks, Devin.
guys.
Cheers.
Bye.
Yeah.
If you guys like this episode, be sure to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, ring that bell. There's Brandon over there. And I will see you guys in the next episode. Adam C. for Hidden Jackpots. I am out. Ciao.